So you made it. Welcome to your members area of FreedomFrenzy. I'm just here to share a little bit of information with you on how the system works and how simple it is to set up. First of all, this is your link right here. That's your referral link to use to share and build your opportunity here. Now, the progress bar so far will indicate that you've only created a username when you first get in here, because that's what you did when you first signed up. So you want to follow the steps. Step 2 is actually update your wallet so that you can be paid, and then step 3 is to become a novice. The products are amazing. We have 3 product levels currently right now. We've got the novice level, the professional level, and the expert level. Each level comes with a registration fee and also a discount for you if you act now. There's a timer. You'll notice when you click to become a novice, there's a timer there, and we want you to act. We want you to take action now and get started, because this is an exciting time. Cryptocurrency is not going anywhere but up. You're going to see some huge upswings in cryptocurrency coming over the next few months, and this is the opportunity for you to actually be part of that. Now, every time you do a step or complete a step, it's going to turn green, so you know that you've completed it. As in step 1, you've created your username. Now, on the left-hand side, you'll notice that there's a menu area here. Support, you can click that if you have any question. The membership levels with an overview of who we are and what FreedomFrenzy is all about. We've got some recommended, when you click on that, your support person is going to have their recommended programs and products that they have that they want to share with you. Rebrand yourself and your team. Your referrals are here, the leaderboards here, autoresponders here, and then on the bottom is your profile. Okay, you want to definitely set up your profile so that people can link to your Facebook accounts, they can email you, they can call you, whatever is required to touch base with you. Now, we're going to close this out by saying, take the time to go through this members area and create your profile specifically, update your wallets, and then become a novice. We are asking people to go in there and get started. Become a novice. Don't wait. I mean, now's the time. Cryptocurrency is not going anywhere. You can tell I'm excited because I am excited. Get started, become a novice, and even a professional straight out of the gates, and start sharing it. You're not going to be disappointed. Hope you have an absolutely fantastic day, and we'll see you on the next video.